Hi, Sketchlab friends. Let's draw something cute and fun today. We have a teddy bear popsicle. Oh, look at he's drinking boba tea. So we're going to draw 2 dots. That determines the width of our popsicle. And then we're going to connect them. So this is going to be the shape of our popsicle. I made a mark up top. That gives me a point to draw to. So I'm drawing this vertical line up. And now I'm going to start to curve it to the left. Good job. Now I'm going to curve it around. The top looks like a rainbow line, huh? And that's the shape of the popsicle. We're going to draw this bear's little paws. This teddy bear's too cute to eat. Who'd want to eat that cute popsicle? There you go. We have an oval. And another oval. So there goes his little paws. Up, he's eating pizza now. A little circle for his paw print. His little pads of his little paws. He loves eating pizza. I think he's going to eat the whole box, guys. This bear has an appetite. I'm just going to go back over. So today we had a little bit of overlapping. So when we build with shapes, sometimes we have construction lines. And so that's why I started off with pencil today. And now here we are. Up. He just had a popsicle. He has some little fur on top of his head. And you could have fun with the little texture if you want to add more fur texture to your popsicle. A furry popsicle. That doesn't sound right. So this is like the number 11, huh? We have these 2 vertical lines. And then we're going to draw like a smiley face. It's a line that curves down. We're having too much fun today, kids. Fantastic. Well, this little guy needs some ears. He has listening ears. He's probably looking out for the park ranger because he's been eating a lot of food out of these picnic baskets today. Oh, look at that. He's got a cheeseburger. He's eating all my favorite foods. So you can see these represent a little bit more like a circle. So in my Let's Draw series, we like to draw with basic shapes. This is how we first learned how to draw. Building with shapes. Look at this shape, guys. We have a circle. Gonna draw these cute eyes. And if you're wondering, why does it have 2 white dots? Well, because this character is inspired by Japanese cartoons and comics. So this is called Kawaii-style. That's Japanese for cute. Oh, he's eating a donut. That looks pretty good. I hope I'm not making you guys hungry. And we've got, like I said, 1 larger and 1 smaller circle inside of the eye. I'm going to fill that in. Well, if you want to challenge yourself, I have the 3D version of my 3D draw series. You have to at least check it out and see it. It's pretty cool. He's drinking boba. Boba tea. But in the description, I'll leave you 2 playlists. 1 to the Let's Draw series you're with now. And if you want to check out that 3D series, you can see how awesome the 3D version turned out. Like I said, it's so adorable. It's almost too cute to eat. But hey, if it's a chocolate popsicle, I'm sorry. You're going in my belly. We're almost there, guys. Oh, just drink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 strawberry milkshakes. Man. Well, I guess he's probably ready to hibernate. Well, hey, good job, guys. You did it. Woo! We'll see you in the next video.